Hi, I'm Elizabeth Methvin, or Lisa. I This is like my 16th, 17th, 18th. I don't know. Have you guys had any go with this? I feel really awkward. Anyway, personal beliefs and values about learning is that learning never stops, and always you should have your mind open to learning and experiencing new things, new ways of thinking, different ideas. It's amazing what you can experience when your mind is open to learning. So don't ever stop. And learning doesn't have to be in the classroom. Learning takes place everywhere all the time. I don't remember if I have my son here. He's almost 4. This is Kai Kai. My almost 6-year-old, she's sleeping. She's not feeling so great. They are my biggest passions. I also really like playing outside. I like being in the water. Before I had kids, I could travel. Can't really do that anymore. But I love meeting new people and seeing new places and trying new food. I really like cooking and being adventurous in my cooking. And then I like eating what I cook, usually. um, so I think that's good. Advice to give your younger self. And I guess this is for anyone really, is don't stress the small stuff. Your health and your happiness, that's what is the most important. As long as you have that, all those other small potatoes, you can figure that out. You might have to learn to think outside the box and be creative and find a different avenue, or to even something you never even thought of before. But the important thing is that you are healthy and you are happy. Something interesting, I don't remember if I mentioned it before. Previously, in my past life, I'm so old. I worked as a surgical nurse, a scrub tech, or a scrub nurse. So I never went on the floors. I wasn't the one taking your blood pressure or your temperature. I assisted the surgeon. And I worked on the trauma team at Mass General Hospital in Boston, which is one of Boston's big hospitals. And so I'm trained in pretty much um, many different disciplines of surgery. The only thing I never really got into is the cardiac stuff, but that was a closed team. And then after that, I am trained and worked as a mortician. So this is a little bit different than my past, and I'm so excited. I used to love showing the new hires and the students um, how to do what they needed to do. It was fun. Most of that learning is on the job, believe it or not. Mommy, I'm stuck. Okay, well, I think that about sums it up. Um, my son he got home from school not that long ago, so he's got all the energy. And I'm really looking forward to seeing some of your videos. Thank you for watching mine. And it's a little over 4 minutes, so we're done here. Have a great day.